Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche 911 SC here that I trying to put a because the problem with this car here was the actual key ignition. So when you turn the key to start, it goes to on but not to run. So it goes on, doesn't even go to start. It's just stuck there because the barrels is faulty. Did a clip come out or something is actually stopping it? So you gotta get the steering lock that comes with the new one. And you gotta get the key, pull apart to actually put the barrel into the other one. There's a lot of muck around to get it done, and it's very expensive as well because you're gonna buy a lot of parts, or sometimes it's gonna take it to the actual locksmith so they can sort out if it's broken, or it's a lot of muck around to get it done properly or get the whole car working. So the most important thing is do it this way. So before I showed you the starter switch, so what I've done, I've put the actual starter switch here next to the key right there. If you see here, I'll pull the little taking this one off. I'm going to put it just underneath here. No, this is not important. That's on your hazard switch, so you can just, I want to put it down here, and you can, if you want to put the hazard switch on, just press it on and it will come on. But what's more important is starting the car. That's just my theory. It's more important to start the car. So now I'm gonna, a lot of muck around, and it took me a long time to actually figure out where can I put this starter switch. I mean, it looks easy now because I'll put it there now, but I was looking there, I was looking here, I was looking down here, looking there. I pulled the other sides off and it doesn't look right, and it just doesn't look right because the starter switch should be right next to the key. So I decided to actually come here and pull the actual hazard switch off. All right, like that. And then I just gotta put the key in like that, and sort of. How good is that? All right. You think the new Porsche and new Audi's got a starter switch? Well, I've got a 911 ST in the workshop with a starter switch too. Anyway, so the reason why I just wanted to do it this way, because there's no need to pull everything apart. That's the problem. The key still works, still goes to on. All right, see here, but I just can't start right now here. Now it's stuck. I can't move it. Look, it's stuck big time. So the barrels inside is faulty, inside the extra steering lock, so you got to buy the whole lot. I think it's about 2,000 plus in Australia. I'm not sure how much. I think I got a quote last night, so yesterday, sorry. But now look, it's stuck. Can't turn the key, just cannot turn the key. But look how easy it is now. I've got the red LEDs in here as well. Let me just show what I mean. It's not that bright during the day, but nighttime it's beautiful. See how it's red? I haven't done that one there because I've got to take that one off. The cowl on steering, I don't want to scratch the cowl on steering wheel. I'll take this part of the steering wheel off and take this off. But the other ones I've done, there's the clock and there's the actual speedo. Looks nice in red, and it looks good here in red as well. Alright, one more time for you guys. If you're interested in one of these, I'm going to do a video of how to install this little switch here. And if you're really interested, I've got a kit I made up already for the 911 SC and all 911s, so you can just do it yourself, so you don't have to buy the whole thing and muck around with your car too much. So it's really annoying to go and try to start the car and you sit there in car park, keep turning the key until you until the car starts. So we can just do this. This is the better fix and nicer, and at least it looks nice. It looks new, something new to your vehicle. You can still lock your car with the key, but at least you can start up with this, not with that. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.